I'm going to teach you how to create this baby dance from free. The tools you are going to use is free of charge. You don't need to pay for any app to create this baby dance. But I'm going to teach you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create it. Let's move into the tutorial now. The first app we are going to use is our ChatGPT. You click on your ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT on your phone, you go to your Play Store. This is your Play Store. You type ChatGPT for Android version. This is it, ChatGPT. You download it on your phone. It's already installed on my phone. Let's go back to ChatGPT. When you come to your ChatGPT here, we want to create an image we are going to use for this baby trend dance. So we have two options here. You can use your text and write create a image of a girl of a 3D pizza style. We have another option, this microphone. You can still use the microphone. Do you know why I love the microphone? You can use it to express yourself. Express yourself the way you want ChatGPT to create it for you. Now let's click on the microphone and tell what ChatGPT is going to create for us. I asked ChatGPT to create a 12-year-old girl 3D pizza style animated. She's on her hair is a two-rolled buns on her hair. She's wearing a round neck top, color red, a white canvas, a short knicker on her knee, close to her knee, and a wrist watch. Wow, beautiful. ChatGPT created two images for us. Let's save these pictures first. So you tap on the picture and click on save. We'll go back to these two and tap on save also. You can also tell ChatGPT to give you an aspect ratio you need. You know, this aspect ratio is good for your TikTok. This 9:16 aspect ratio. It's good for your TikTok, the YouTube Shorts, the Facebook, and other social media. So if you want the YouTube long video, you can add, please let the ratio be 16:9. And another app we are going to use to still create the same character is the Grok app. Ask anything, you can still type. You can type or you make use of this audio here. When making use of the microphone, make sure your English is very clear and expressive so that Grok won't give you another write-up. We'll wait for Grok to create the image for us. If you want to save the picture, you just tap on the picture and click on this download. It will be downloaded to your memory. Yes, this one is perfect. I love this one. I love it. Very beautiful. The next app we are going to use is the TikTok. You come over to your TikTok app, the TikTok app. You click on this up here, the search icon. You tap on it and search for baby dance video. And click on this search. You click on any dance you want. You tap on this. If you know you are getting value with this step-by-step tutorial, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Click on the share button, this arrow here. You tap on it and click on copy link. Let's go to our Chrome browser. You go to your Google Chrome browser. On the search bar, type snaptik.kim. If you are gaining value with this tutorial, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell, like, comment and share to your friends so that they can gain value. Let's move on. The link we have copied, you just tap on this paste. You see the link and you click on download. If you did not copy that link, if you click on this paste, nothing will show. When it shows this way on the side, just scroll like this. You see the way I'm scrolling? The way I'm scrolling. Yes, the details are here. The quality. Do you want the 720 quality, or the higher or the lower? Since we want to make use of it, I'll click on this lower one. Click on this download. I'll tap on it. It will download into my phone or file manager. You can see it up here to show file downloaded. The next app we are going to use is our CapCut. You tap your CapCut. Your interface will show new project or new video. So you tap one of the picture and click add. You just tap on the picture, drag it to 8 seconds. Let it not be more than 8 seconds because what it can generate is 8 seconds. So we'll just drag it to 8 seconds. Click delete. Okay, come down here and look for mimic motion. Scroll till you see this mimic motion. You tap on it. You wait for it to recognize it. We have different model here. We have the multiple, the idle, we have the move. So we'll click on this move 1.5 idle for pets and character acting. We'll click on it. Now here it is saying reference video. The video we want to feature, the person body must be fully completed so that AI can detect it very easy. Click on the plus sign. The video we downloaded from CapCut is more than 8 seconds. So you will go back and reduce it to 8 seconds. Now let's go back and reduce it. I'm showing you a step-by-step tutorial so you won't make mistake. There are a lot of people that don't know how to do all this editing step by step. So this is the process I'm showing you. Let's go back and shorten our video clip. On my phone, I'll just click on this pencil icon and reduce it. So I will just edit it. If I don't want from the beginning, I can bring it this way and drag it from this side till the 8 seconds. I'll go back to the CapCut. I'll click on the plus sign and bring in the video. I'll click on add. Tap on add. I'll wait for it to be recognized. So I'll click on this idle for pets and character acting. As a first time, if it's your first time on CapCut, it will be 0 credits. They won't charge you for any coins. But this is a pro version. I'm making use of the pro version. The credit needed is just 8 coins. You can just buy coins to use it and tap on this generate. It's applying one feature, that is the generating motion. It has finished generating the motion. Wow, very beautiful. You click up here and click on this export. You save it to your device or you share it to your TikTok or any of your media. You click on this save device. Don't close your CapCut when it's downloading. Wait for it to download. Finish. The music is muted because of copyright infringements. Wow. So this is how to create your dancing baby trend. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to download a long form Dancing Baby trend. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share to your friends so that we can gain value. Hello and welcome to Victoria Creative Tech. Bye.